One of the issues that many users experience with Citrix is when it does an update, it resets where the file share is located. I have a document here that's a shortcut to my Citrix share. When I double click on it, I receive this error that the network connection cannot be found. Now if I go ahead and look in my documents and or my computer, and I go to this PC, you'll notice that my Citrix file is called the S drive. Many customers choose to use a Z or another letter to indicate where their files are stored. If you click in the taskbar, find the icon for Citrix Files, right-click on that icon, go to Settings. It will give you the option to change your drive location, and you can modify this to be back to what you normally would have used. This will fix your shortcuts. Click the X to apply. Notice it takes a moment to do so, and there it comes up with the Z. And we'll go ahead and test this with my documents that's on my Citrix, and there it opened my document successfully.